Hey guys, man, look at this midnight blue oxidized paint job. It's an old base coat, but it's flat, it's ugly, but we got Lukat Fix It here. This will clean it. There's no wax in this product. What I'm doing here is cleaning the paint so that you can wax it, and it's a permanent fix because you're cleaning, not cutting. You can get the paint job looking beautiful again. If you have a car, a truck, even if it's rust pitted and oxidized, man, I'm telling you, use this stuff. Now you know that I'm going back and forth. That's because I'm cleaning, not waxing. Okay, look how beautiful this is going to come out. Absolutely beautiful. Now you guys can use a machine if you want. Look how pretty that came out. Can you guys see that gloss? So Lukat Fix It. Use this to fix your paint. Bring it back. You don't have to be driving around with an ugly paint job. It's not going to shine it up. It's going to clean the paint. Remember, this is a cleaner, not a cutter, not a wax. It'll fix it, bring it back, save yourself a lot of money, and you don't have to park the car in the back of the parking lot anymore, you know, to hide it. Anyways, Lukat Fix It. We're at lukatdetail.com. Join us in the epic fight against ugly paint job pollution. Later, guys.